Hi everyone, nice to meet you. Thank you for having me. My name is GENIUSA WILDATAMA from Civil Engineering Education Program 11 Maret University. Let me to present our paper with the title is Development Model of Occupational Safety and Health Induction Media on Electric Wood Construction Equipment on Vocational School. Let's get started. Introduction. Number one, based on the data of the International Labour Organization, every year there are more than 2,050 million work accidents and more than 160 million workers are sick because of hazard in the workplace. Moreover, there are 1.2 million workers who die due to accident and illness at work. Number two, the practice of wood tool machine is very full the risk of accident, especially when using tool machine for work. Therefore, students need to fully understand work safety standard in the workshop. This can provide awareness about working properly and safely in the workshop. From the point above, it can be concluded that safety induction media development is very important and useful. Next, the method. This study used research and development method by AD. This research model was developed by Dick and Carey and then adapted by Lee and Owens. The research steps are as follows. Stage 1. Analyze. There are two parts. Text analyze and need analyze. Stage 2. Design. Making storyboard, design of media, and flowchart media. Stage 3. Development. The first, making video and design. Second, combine the video and design into one media. Third, judgment by expert. Fourth, revising media according suggestion and assessment by expert. Stage 4, implementation. There are two stages, limited trial and extended trial. Stage 5, evaluation. The final revision media based on suggestion and input by student and expert. Okay, next. The study used quantitative descriptive method to measure the percentage of learning media visibility. Data were collected by interview, literature study, and questionnaire. The interview and literature study data were collected to support the development of concept and learning media, while the questionnaire data showed the result of media visibility assessment from user, trial, and expert. The subjects in the study were teachers and students of Vocational High School to Surakarta for Construction and Property Engineering program. There is a lot of material in this media, amongst other, number one, introduction and understanding of occupational safety and healthy and the environment. Number two, type of the work accident. Number three, impact of the work accident. Number four, implementation of emergency response procedures. Number five, implementation of work safety in the mission operation in the workshop. Number six, implementation of use of personal protective equipment. From material, we continue to the menu. There are five menus in the media. Home menu, material menu, video menu, get menu, and then the last is evaluation menu. And this is the display of our media. This is a home menu. Next is material menus, and video menu, and the last is the display of evaluation menu. Okay, we continue to the result. The material expert from this media is Mr. Sudasono SPDT. He is a teacher at Vocational High School to Surakarta. Besides that, he also the head of civil expertise competency. Based on the overall feasibility assessment of the material expert, the total score was 115 for 7 indicators and 25 assessment items. Thus, the percentage score for the learning media by material expert is 92% with the very eligible category. The media expert from this learning media product is Mrs. Maria Sri Kuswardani ST. He is a teacher of Vocational High School to Surakarta. Based on the overall feasibility assessment of media expert, the total score was 87 for 20 main indicators. Thus, the percentage score for learning media by media expert is 87% with the very eligible category. Okay, next, in the limited trial, the media was tested on 10 students of vocational high school to Surakarta. All students have a different academic abilities. The selection of students is recommended by teacher. After the trial was carried out, the average score was 109 from 10 students, and with the percentage score of learning media was 87% with very eligible category. In an extended trial, the media was tested on 25 students of vocational high school to Surakarta. All of students were selected by media expert. After the trial was carried out, the average score was 102 from 25 students, and with the percentage score for learning media is 84% with very eligible category. And the last is conclusion. The result of this research and development can conclude that the development model of occupational safety and health induction media on electric wood construction equipment on vocational school is carried out based on the need for mastery of work safety competencies in the workshop environment. The result of feasibility test with the expert obtained the percentage of feasibility of media was 87%. The feasibility of material was 92%. Feasibility of limited trial was 87%. And the last feasibility of extended trial was 84%. Number three, media development use the concept of combination video and audio based on interactive, real, and animated video by providing a simulation of the application work safety. Thus, students get a complete and real picture of the application work safety in the workshop so that they are motivated to the correct practice and behave safety during practical work. Thank you, everyone.